everyone. I'm Robin Zimmerman, and this is Talk of the Town, and I am so honored to introduce you to two gentlemen from the Town of Hilton Head Fire Rescue Department. We have Lee Jenkins, and then we have Willie Ferguson. They're both captains, and they're here to talk about this Hot Girls Summer Camp. They will be in July. We'll talk about that, but let's begin with the two of you. How long have you been with Fire Rescue? Lee?
Yes, ma'am. So my name is Lee Jenkins, Fire Captain, Hilton Head Island Fire Rescue. One of the captains of Community Outreach and Recruitment. Been with the department for 18 years now.
Oh, goodness.
Native of Hilton Head Island.
Okay, love it. And Willie, you too?
Yes, ma'am. 22 years, born and raised Hilton Head. We've been both in Community Outreach and Recruitment since July, so we're almost at our year mark.
And so what does Community Outreach, what are you responsible for in recruitment? Willie? Let's start with you.
Yeah, sure. It's basically what we do is create programs and partnerships based on the needs of the community. Okay. So we open our doors, we're in the schools, we have so many community programs that we institute just so the community and the public knows what we do and how we serve them best.
And you also do recruitment, right, Lee?
Yes, ma'am. Recruitment is very important to us because we seek local talent. We seek talent from all across, but Willie and I, we both from this area, so it's very important to us that we have the best serving our community.
Yes, very good. And so part of that recruitment is this Hot Girls Summer Camp, which is going to be in July 22nd through the 26th. Whose idea was it to try to attract young girls to be firefighters?
Well, Chief Pfister is our supervisor. She's the Deputy Chief of Administration. And one of the first things she put on our board when we started, day one, was a girls' summer camp. So she had enough trust in us to kind of institute that and run with it. And we're very proud of where we are right now.
Because a lot of girls don't want to be firefighters. They think it's probably too dangerous, I guess.
Well, so what we've found is, the NFPA stat is that 9% of firefighters in the country are women. And so we identified that and, of course, listening to the needs of our community. But what we found through some of our programs that we've already implemented, like the leads through the Boys and Girls Club, is that young women are very interested in becoming firefighters. They love the aspect of saving a life through CPR and being involved in the chain of survival. So what we're finding is that it's so interesting to engage and introduce them to a career in fire and EMS.
All right, so what happens during the camp? And from what we understand, it is full, but you're going to open it up for more because there's a lot of interest. So what happens that week?
Yes, ma'am. There was a lot of interest. We had 20 spots initially. Those quickly filled up, so we definitely have to listen to the needs of the community and open those spots up. But every day, Monday through Friday, from 9:30 to 4, or from 9 to 4:30, we're going to have all sorts of exciting hands-on training that we can do with the participants. We're going to introduce them to the skills that we do day in and day out on firefighting and EMS. They're going to be able to interact with some of the leaders in our division, in our department. They'll get to witness all of our professionalism and diversity, and it'll just be so full of jam-packed stuff for them to do.
Now, are the two of you like faculty members or counselors, and then do you have others that will be helping during the week?
So yes, we do have a whole recruitment committee, and so we have lots of help, we have lots of support. We will be heavily involved, but I just want to go back in Hot Girls Summer Camp. HOT stands for hands-on training.
Oh, that's right.
And so we want to make
hands-on training.
That's
hot.
right.
Yes, ma'am. And also, Hot Girls Summer is just about embracing who they are, believing in themselves, having confidence and a positive attitude.
Well, and I liken it to First Tee in that whether they actually become firefighters, they're learning life skills as well, respect for one another, and lots of things that they will probably use, like CPR and lots of the skills you'll be teaching them in their lives, right, Willie?
Absolutely. So that's one of the things we witnessed very fast is we have a chance to mentor and foster these relationships and future paths of our future leaders in the community. And what we realized is, yes, it's great that we can introduce them to fire and EMS as a profession, but to be able to be a conduit to bigger and better things is also something we're very proud of.
All right, we have 20 seconds left. Any final pitches for the Hot Girl Summer Camp?
No final pictures, but we just want to say that we welcome and invite everyone, and we're so very happy. But also, there are so many women within fire rescue that we want to them to have the opportunity to mentor. So we look forward to all of the young ladies.
All right, so you can go on the website, I guess, and sign up, right?
Yes, ma'am, through the Island Rec Center website, or
Okay.
the town just released an official press release that has the link to the sign-ups.
Good, and it's only $5 for the week
Yes, ma'am.
because you want to open it up to everybody. All right, very good. Thank you, gentlemen.